Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wi-Fi SmartNet camera by Conbre. There are some information on the box itself, like this particular Wi-Fi camera runs on wireless connectivity. It has phone monitoring. It runs on iOS. It runs on Android. It has smart cloud system. It also has TS storage capabilities. It can pan and tilt as well. Okay. The model number is V380 Pro, as you can see over here. And that's more or less all the information we can gather from the box. Let's just open it and take a look inside. Okay, that's one document, that's two document. And this is the camera itself. A lot of other stuff here. Seems to be a wall mount. Charging adapter, cables, screw mounts. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff here. This is the product manual for the webcam, as you can see. Leave this over here. Next up we have, okay, this is nothing. Please, I'm going to remove this. This is a charging adapter basically for this particular device. This comes with the micro USB charging cable, as you can see over here. The micro USB charging cable and the charging adapter along with it. This is a wall mount for the camera for when you want to mount it to a wall or even a ceiling if you want to. There's quite a bit of swivel right over here. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to keep this over here. And we have a pack of screws and screw mounts. That's a nice addition as well. Now it's time to take a look at the camera itself. So this is what it looks like. There are a lot of these LED lights at the front, and this is what the camera lens looks like. And you have Conbre logo right over here. It also comes with these two antennas for catching signals. Okay, it has 360 rotation on this side, and yeah, a little over 90-degree on this axis. So X and Y you have for 360 degrees, Z axis you have more or less 90 degrees of perspective. At the back over here we have a couple of ports. I don't know if you can see this. There you go. There's a LAN port and there is a micro USB port over here, and there is also a reset button. Yeah, and that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Wi-Fi SmartNet camera by Conbre. Thank you for watching.